Hello students, today we are going to construct 135 degree. The first question arises what to bisect. When you have this, it becomes very easy, right? But when you have this, how to draw, what to bisect. So that I'll teach you. So here your teachers have taught you standard angles, correct? So this is a trick, 135, just double it. On doubling 135, you get 270, correct? Now, think of two standard angles which you know how to draw easily and whose total is 270. Can you think, students? Can you think? Yes. So, if I can help you, it is 90 and 180, correct? So, if you add 90 and 180, you get how much? 270. And you know 135 will lie between 90 and 180. So when you will bisect angle 90 and 180, you will get 135. So let us construct 135. Take any measurement or segment your teacher will give. Draw line AB. So we are going to draw angle ABC. So here I'll take angle B. Angle B is 135. So BC of any measurement you can take. Now, in one go, many angles we are going to draw. Take a rounder with a suitable radius and draw a semicircle. Fine. Now, where it touches the line is 0 degree. So put your rounder on 0 degree with the same radius. Give a first cut, that is 60. So this is your 60. Put your rounder on 60 and give another cut which is 120. So this is your 120. With the same radius, don't change the radius, and give the last cut which is 180. So on this we have, let us recap. This is 0 degree. This is 60 degree. You don't have to write. This is for your reference. This is 120 degree and this is 180 degree. Correct, students? Now, as I explained you the trick, we have to bisect 90 and 180. 180 already we got here. Now we are going to construct 90. As you recollect from your previous class, we are going to bisect 160 and 120 to get 90. You can take the same measurement, put on 60, cut an arc and put on 120 and cut an arc. So here we get 90. Now we have to bisect 90 and 180. So this is 90 and this is 180. Take the rounder, put on round on 90. Now as your teacher will say take more than half, you can take exact measurement or more than half and give a cut by putting on 90. Take on 180 and cut. Fine. So what you got, this angle joined to B. Joined to point B. So here we get angle, this is A. So angle ABC as 135 degree. I hope you understood, student, and you understood my trick which I taught you. So to draw angle ABC equal to 135 degree, you need to bisect 90 and 180. So if you have liked my teaching and explanation, follow us for more educational video, and one small homework, use this and find out whether this is correct or not. Thank you, students. Bye.